Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your TV supports Bluetooth or has an audio output you can convert. Next, charge and power on your Bose headphones and explicitly enter pairing mode by holding the power/Bluetooth button until the LED or voice prompt confirms. Once done, open your TV's Bluetooth settings immediately so it can search. This step is crucial because some TVs only scan briefly. Keeping the headphones actively in pairing mode prevents timeouts and speeds the detection process. You'll now pair through the TV's interface. Navigate to Settings, then Sound or Network depending on the model, and choose Bluetooth devices or Add device. When the TV lists your Bose headphones, select them and accept any on-screen PIN or confirmation. Many TVs show a prompt while Bose gives a voice cue. If your TV lacks built-in Bluetooth, connect a low-latency Bluetooth transmitter to the TV's optical or 3.5 output. Put the transmitter in pairing mode, then pair the headphones to that transmitter. You finish by ensuring the TV audio output is set to Bluetooth or headphones so sound routes to the Bose. Make sure you select low-latency options where available or adjust the TV's audio delay to sync lips and sound. If audio fails, power cycle both devices, forget the headphone entry on the TV and repair. This clears cached connection errors. If you still hear lag, try a low-latency transmitter or enable any TV sound sync feature. These steps fix the most common pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.